Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our today's exercise is exercise 2.4. Let question number 3. Sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. What is a two-digit number? First of all, what is a two-digit number? Two-digit number, let example, this is 79. This place says ones and this one says tens place. This is our ones place and this is our tens place, which can written also as 7 into tens means 10, then plus 9 into ones place 1, 9 into 1 means 9, 7 into 10 means 70 plus 9, answer is 79. So any terms is in two-digit number can written as 79, 7 into 10 plus 9. This is our two-digit number. The sum of digits of these number is 9. Let the sum of these digit is 16. This is our sum of digits. When we interchange the digit, by interchanging, this is 97. This is our 97. It found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number. Original number is 79, greater than 27, like this. So let example, a two-digit number is 49, which can also written as 4 into 10 plus 9. 49 is equal to 4 into 10. This is our 10 place, this is our ones place. So 4 will multiply by 10 plus 9. When interchanging 94, this written as 9 into 10 plus 4. This is our concept of this question. Now from beginning of the question, answer. Let what is the two-digit number? Let two-digit number is AB, in which B on one space and A on tens place. So AB is equal to 10A plus B. Equation number first. The AB can written as 10 into A plus B. Sum of digits is given in question. Sum of digits equal to 9. Then digits are A and B. A plus B is equal to 9. B is equal to 9 minus A. This is our equation number second. From equation 2, putting the value of B in equation first equation first is AB is equal to 10A plus B is equal to 10A plus. What is the value of B? The value of B is 9 minus A. Answer is 10 minus 1, 9A plus 9. So AB is equal to 9A plus 9. This is our third equation. When we interchange the digit, interchanging the digits, the number is, then number is BA, written as 10B plus A, written as 10B plus A. BA is equal to 10, putting the value of B, 9 minus A, then plus A. B is equal to 9 minus A. We have to put this value. BA is equal to 90 minus 10A plus A. BA is equal to 90 minus 9A. Equation number 4. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than original number by 27. Is given in question. When we interchanging the digit will greater than 27 by original number. By interchanging, it will be greater than 27 by original number. Put the value of BA, 90 minus 9A is equal to, put the value of AB. What the value of AB? AB is equal to 9A plus 9, 9A plus 9, then plus 27. From the value of AB is from equation number 3 and value of BA from equation number 4, from equation 3 and 4. Now let transpose this, and transposing these 90. This is over 9 plus 27. 9 plus 27 is 36. When we transposing, this is positive, so this will be negative, minus 36. Here is 9A. When transposing 9A, this is negative value, so this will be a positive value. 90 minus 36, answer is 54. 18A, is equal to 54. A is equal to 54 by 18. Answer is 3. A is equal to 3. So what is the value of B? What is the value of B? B is equal to 9 minus A. From equation second, B is equal to 9 minus A. So B is equal to 6. The original number is AB. The original number, 2-digit number is AB. Putting the value of A is 3, B is 6. The original number is 36. Now take beginning from the question. Sum of two digits of two-digit number. What is two-digit number? Two-digit number written as 79. Here 9 on ones place and 7 on tens place. We can written 79 is equal to 7 into 10. 7 tens place. So 7 into 10, then plus 9. 7 into 10 is 70. 70 plus 9 is equal to 79. This is our number. When we interchanging this is our 97, which will be 27 greater than or our original number. Let another example. Two-digit number is 49. We can written as 9 is over ones place, 4 is over tens place. So 4 into 10 plus 9. When we interchanging, this is 94. 9 into 10 plus 4 is equal to 94. This is our rough part. I am cutting this. This is our rough part for understanding what is our two-digit number. Let a two-digit number is AB. The two-digit number is AB, in which B on ones place, A on tens place. So AB can written as A into 10 plus B, 10A plus B. This is our equation number first. The sum of digits are A and B. The sum of digit is 9. So A plus B is equal to 9. The value of B is equal to transposing A, 9 minus A. This is our second equation. We will find the value of B, so we are putting the value of B in equation A. From equation second, putting the value of B in equation first. The equation first is AB is equal to 10A plus B. The value of B is 9 minus A. 10 minus A is 9. 9A plus 9. So value of AB is equal to 9A plus 9. This is our equation number third. After this, when we interchange the digit, interchanging the digits, then number is, the original number is AB. By interchanging, this is our BA. BA can written as 10 into B plus A. B on tens place, A on ones place. So BA can written as 10B plus A. Putting the value of B, the value of B is 9 minus A. B is 9 minus A. By multiply 10 into 9, 90, 10 into A, 10A, then plus A, minus 10A plus A, these are subtracting. So answer is minus 9A. This is our the value of BA. This is our value of BA. Now in question, when we interchanging the digit, we found that resulting new number is BA, is greater than the original number. Original number is AB, greater than 27. BA is equal to AB plus 27. Put the value of BA. BA is 90 minus 9A. Put the value of AB. The value of AB is 9A plus 9, then 27. After solving the equation, we get A is equal to 3. What is the value of B? B is 9 minus A. Put the value of A is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6. Original number is AB. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6. The original number is 36. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 5. Suppose mother present age is 6 times suppose age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What is their age? What is the suppose present age and mother's present age? Let suppose present age is x. Suppose present age is x. Suppose mother present age is 6 times suppose age means 6x. This is our 6x. This is our question's first line. In second line, suppose age 5 years from now. Suppose age 5 years from now is equal to, if your age is 12 year, after 5 years you will be 12 plus 5 17 years. So suppose present age is x. 5 years from now this age will be x plus 5 years. Okay student. Suppose age is x, mother age is 6x, and 5 years from now suppose age is x plus 5 years. Now suppose age 5 years from now will be equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. Age given in question. Suppose age from 5 years now will be equal to 1/3 means 1/3 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is 6x. 1/3 of mother's age. 1/3 of mother's age. Now x plus 5 is equal to, this can cut 2 times, so this is our 2x. Now transposing the x, 5 is equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x is equal to x. X is equal to 5. So suppose present age is x. X is equal to 5 years. So suppose present age is 5 years. Suppose mother's present age is 6 into x. 6 into x, the value of x is 5. 6 into 5, 6 into 5, 30. Suppose mother present age is 30 years. Let's take beginning from the question. Suppose mother's present age is 6 times the suppose present age. Let the suppose present age is x, mother's age is 6 times. So this is our 6x. Suppose age 5 years from now. Suppose age 5 years from now. Now present age is x. After 5 years this will be x plus 5. Age given in question. After 5 years the age will equal to, after 5 years the age will equal to 1/3 of mother present age. 1/3 means 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. Third, mother's present age. Mother's age is 6x. We can cut this 2 times. So this is over 2x. When transposing the x, this is 2x minus x. Answer is x. X is equal to 5. What? Who is x? X is Sobo's present age. Sobo's present age is 5. Mother's age is 6x. 6 into 5, 30. Mother's age is 30 years. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot. Let us assume this is our narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school. This plot reserved for a school. The length and breadth of the plot are in ratio of 11 ratio 4. This is our length and this is our breadth. This is our length and this is our breadth. When we are attending the ratio question, we put x, 11x and 4x. Length is 11x, width is 4x. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter. So length in meter and width in meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000. We will make fencing on this. The fencing will done on the boundary line, not the our ground. The fencing will be done at our boundary. One time length, then one time width, then another length and another width. This is our fencing. Fencing on boundary line, it will be seen as this fencing on our rectangular plot perimeter. This is our perimeter. The formula of perimeter is 2 into length into width. What are the dimension of plot? Now we are attending this question. Answer. The length and breadth of rectangular plot are 11 ratio 4. So we can take length is equal to 11x meter, breadth is, length is 11, breadth is 4, breadth is 4x meter. So diagram of this is over 11x, this is over 4x. Fencing cost on plot is rupees 100 per meter. Fencing cost on plot is rupees 100 per meter, means for 100 rupees fencing length is 1 meter. Rupees 100 per meter means 1 meter. 1 meter cost is 100 rupees. So 100 rupees fencing length is 1 meter for rupees 1 fencing length is 1 by 100 meter for rupees 75,000 fencing length is 1 by 100 into 75,000. We can cut 20 and 20. The answer is 750 meter. This is our fencing length. Total fencing length is 750 meter. Now total fencing can done at perimeter of plot. So perimeter of rectangle plot is equal to 2 into length plus width. The perimeter is 750 is equal to 2 into length. The length is 11x. This is over 11x. Width is 4x. This is over 4x. 750 is equal to 2. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. 750 is equal to 2 into 15, 30. The x is equal to 750 upon 30. We can cut 0 and 0. When we dividing this is over 2 times, remainder is 1, 15 is 5 times. X is equal to 25. The x is equal to 25. What are the dimension? Dimension is length and width. Length of plot is 11x. The value of x is 25. 11 into 25. Right. 11 into 25. 25 and then 25. 5, 7, 2. 275 meter. The breadth of plot is 4x. 4 into x means 25 is equal to 100 meter. This is over 100 meter. This is our answer. Let beginning from the question. There is a rectangular plot. We draw a rectangular plot. Therefore, for a school, the length and width of plot are in ratio of 11 ratio 4. the length is 11, width is 4. When we attending the question of ratio, we will put a x here. The length is 11x, width is 4x. So length is 11x, width is 4x. At the rate of 100 per meter will cost the village panchayat to fence the plot. Okay, this is our plot. We start fencing on this. The fencing will done on boundary line. So the boundary line is called perimeter. Then perimeter of a rectangular plot is 2 into length plus width. What are the dimension of plot? First of all, the length and width of rectangular plot is 11:4. So we can take the length is 11 into x, length is 11, so 11x, width is 4, so 4x, width is 4x. This is our plot. This is our 11x, this is our 4x. The cost of at the rate of 100 rupees per meter, cost the village panchayat 75,000. Total cost 75, the per meter cost 100. This will be 750 meter. This will be 750 meter. The fencing cost on the plot is rupees 100 per meter. So by rupees when we give 100 rupees, the fencing length is 1 meter. By 100 rupees, the fencing length is 1 meter. By 1 rupees, the fencing length is 1 by 100, and by 75,000 rupees, fencing length is 1 by 100 into 75,000. We can cut 00 and 00. The answer is 750 meter. So the total fencing length is total fencing length on plot is 750 meter. The total fencing is 750 meter. The total fencing can done at the perimeter of plot. The fencing will be done at the perimeter of plot. So perimeter of rectangular plot is equal to 2 into length into width. The perimeter is 750. Length is 11x, width is 4x. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 into 2, 30. We will here 30 will be multiplier, so we will divide by 30. 0 and 0 can cut. 75 divided by 50, answer is 25. X is equal to 25. Question is, what is the dimension? Dimension is length and width. Length is 11x. Length of plot is 11x. 11 into 25. The answer is 275. Width of plot is 4x. 4 into x. X is 25. So 4 into 25 is 100. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another question.